Have a nice day, student. Today we continue the chapter Improvement in Food Resources. Earlier we discussed about the improvement in plant food resources. Today we discuss about the improvement in animal food resources. Animal food, the nutritive food which we obtain from the animals, we call them animal food. For example, milk, egg, etc. These are the animal food which we obtain from the animals. These animal food require the improvement in their quality as well as quantity for the providing the food for growing population. So the science which deal with the improvement in animal food resources, we call them animal. Animal husbandry is the branch of science in which we discuss about the scientific management of animal along with the agriculture. So some of the technical terms which are used in this animal husbandry, that is the breeding. Animal breeding is the technique in which we reproduce or develop the new varieties with the help of production. So that is the breeding. Breeding is the reproduction in the animals. We call it the breeding. Now the next term we call them feeding. Feeding is the providing the food material to the animals. So feeding is the process or technique in which we provide the food or feeding the animals, because their food quality or their food product depend on their feeding habits also or feeding animals. So we call them feeding. Now we discuss about the weeding. Weeding is the process in which, or weeding is the phenomena in which we remove the uneconomical animals. Uneconomical, it means they will not produce the sufficient amount and quality or quantity of food. We call them uneconomical animals. The removing of uneconomical animals is called the weeding. And last we call them feeding. Feeding is the process in which we proper care and management of animals. Proper caring of animals is called feeding. Now we discuss about some revolution which is related with the development of animal food resources. So one of them is important revolution, that is the white revolution. White revolution is related with the production of milk. It was started in India by Dr. B. Kurian. In this he developed the high yielding varieties of animals, high yielding varieties or breeds of animals, and increase the food productivity. So the increase in the milk production is called white revolution. Now we discuss about some breeds of cow. So the first category of animals we call the milk animals or milch animals, which is responsible, which produce the milk for the human population. So these animals, one of them is the first category of the animals, we call them breeds of cow. Breeds of cow, the scientific name of cow is Bos indicus, and this breed is divided in three categories. First we call them high yielding breeds or good breeds which provide the good quality of food. We call them indigenous breed. For example, Gir, Sahiwal. These are some indigenous breed which produce the milk. Second, we call them dual purpose indigenous breed. Dual purpose, it means they are used for the production of milk as well as agriculture work or labor work. We call them dual breeds. Dual breeds are used for the draught purpose as well as milk production. And third category breeds, we call them exotic breeds. Exotic breed we obtain from the outside the country. For example, Jersey. Jersey is the cow breeds which is exotic because we obtained it from outside the country, so we call them exotic breeds. It obtained from USA, and brown Swiss also. It was obtained from Switzerland. And third one we call them Holstein Friesian. It was obtained from Holland. So these are some breeds of cow which are used for the production of milk. So they are divided in three categories. One we call them indigenous breed, which is available in India or in local varieties. Second is the dual breeds, which are used in the dual purpose and both purpose for production of milk as well as in agriculture field, and third one we call them exotic breed which we obtain from it. Now, same case, the second animal which is used for the milk production, that is the buffalo. It is used for the milk production. The scientific name of buffalo is Bos bubalis. It is scientific name of buffalo. In India, there are some common breeds of buffalo, that is the Murrah. It is used for the production of milk. Second, Mehsana, and third one, Shurti. So these are the three breeds which are used for the production of milk. Now, the various types of animal farming for production of animal food. So that is the first various type of animal farming. First one, that is the cattle farming. Second one, poultry farming, which is used for the production of egg. We call them poultry farming. Third one, fish farming, and fourth one, we call it beekeeping. So these are the some breeds, some various type of farming which are used for the production of animal food. So first of all, we'll discuss about the cattle farming. The first, cattle farming. In the cattle farming, first of all, we discuss about the milk production. So in cattle farming, it is used for the only milk production. So we call them milk breeds, or the high yielding breeds of milk animals which produce the milk. So in this category, mainly cow, buffalo, goat, etc. These animals are used for the milk production. They are the second breed also, we call them dual purpose breed or drought breed, which are used for the agriculture purpose. So the milk animals are divided in three categories. First, we call them milk production animals. Second, we call them drought breeds, which are used for the agriculture, and third one we call them exotic. Now, what is the food for these animals? So the food which we give them, this is divided in two components, or the animal food which is used for the feeding of animals. So the animal food can be divided in two categories. First one we call them concentrates, and second one we call them roughes. Roughes are the plant fibers which are used for the feeding of animals. So these are the plant fibers, and concentrates are basically rich nutrient food, especially protein and fat. So rich nutrient food we call them concentrate, and roughes are the plant fibers. Some diseases which are very common in the milk producing animals, some diseases which are present or which are found in milk productive animals. For example, foot mouth disease, which is caused by virus. Second one, that is the rinderpest, and anthrax, caused by bacteria. This disease is caused by bacteria, while this foot mouth disease is caused by the virus. The another disease we call them ringworm, which is caused by the fungi. So these are some common diseases which are present in the which are occur in the milk producing animals. How we can prevent these diseases in animals? Preventions. So first of all, isolate the disease animal from group. Second one, maintain the hygienic condition in the cattle yards. Next one, providing the proper diet and proper sanitation, vaccination. So providing the proper diet to the animals. So these are some preventive measures which are used to prevent the disease in the animals. Now the next farming we call them poultry farming. Poultry farming is used for the production of egg. Especially in this category, the two types of breeds are there. One breed we call them indigenous breeds or Deshi breeds, which are used for the production of egg. Example, Aisel, Gaggas, and these are some indigenous breeds which are used for the production of egg. And now some exotic breeds also used for the production of egg. Exotic, it means the foreign breed which are very good quality in production. We call them exotic breeds. So the exotic breeds are white leghorn, and plymouth. These are some exotic breeds which are used for the production of egg. The egg production related with the silver revolution. For the increase the production of egg, they started is the silver revolution, which is related with the production of egg. Now, some diseases also appear or are found in these animals or in these breeds. So there's some very common disease in this breed. For example, dermatitis, fowl pox, rinderpest, bird flu. These are some common diseases which are found in these animals. They causes the decrease in the production of egg. So the poultry birds are used for the production of more amount of egg as well as proteins. So the poultry farming is related with the production of egg and animal. Thanks a lot for today and have a nice day.